Hello everyone, it's your girl Itsdymaeshia here, and today I'm going to be recreating Doja Cat 2021 Vma'S makeup look. I just want to say thank you guys so much for doing the vote poll on my channel. I really appreciate it. See, a lot of you guys was voting for the Say So makeup look and the Vma'S makeup look. Those two was like neck to neck. So I want to give y'all more time to vote which look I should really recreate, and y'all pick the Vma'S makeup look. But I will be doing the Say So makeup look next week. So yeah, now if you guys haven't yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on to get notified when I upload. Like the video and comment below which Doja Cat look I should recreate next, and hope you guys really enjoy this video. there you guys have the creation look of Doja Cat 2021 VMAs makeup look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys do, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave that notification bell on to get notified where I upload. Follow me on my social media in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video, and bye.